Yo, what's up guys, my name is EIZY and I'm back again for another video review. This time around I have the new Momoling plastic model kit from China. It is from Tale of Shinto, Shu Toyotomi, which is her name. This kit is so beauty because first of all, I have no issue on the snap fitting. And also most of the parts here are on the gauge, so there's a minor knobs visible on this kit. As you guys can see, this beauty here, she also has a very nice outfit design, a very nice bow, and also arrows, and also the hair parts are actually rubber and not plastic. Well, some short background story of this model kit. Yeah, her name is Shu Toyotomi from the Toyotomi's family. Her father is Toyotomi Zaibatsu. I'm not sure whether her father is some kind of warrior or something. And the bow right here, it's said that the bow is possessed with some kind of divine power. They can turn these arrows here into some spirit or something. I'm not really sure about that. And she got the bow from generation to generation. The rest are just that. They only mention the background story of this kid, the Tale of Shinto, just that, not much. So she comes with plenty of parts here, especially for the face expression. There's a one here, the second face expression, third one, and the fourth one, what she's wearing right now, a very serious looking face. And also we have a full set of blank face. Yeah, four of them. And also we have the water slide here, and the hand parts here. We have a set of open hand piece, sign piece, another open hand here. No, this one is a grabby hand, so you can grab for holding the bow and arrows. Also face, there you go. Okay, she also comes with an action base here, the white one, and also this part here. Wait, this metal piece here is for the bow. There's also metal piece here. Her bow here, the design is so cool, and the detail of this thing is so gorgeous indeed. This metal piece here, you can swap it. Either you want to use this shape here or this one, so you guys can do some sniping pose for this one. Okay, also we have the arrows here. So this piece here, the gold one, are actually plastic, made from plastic, and we have the metal piece here, and you will get 5 set of them. Here you go. They just okay. Let me show you one. This pointy head here are so sharp. We need to be careful with that. Okay, we have 5 of this. Also this thing here to put the arrows. Oops. There you go. She also comes with this wallpaper here. I'm not sure about this symbol, but I think this is from the Toyotomi family symbol. There's a Tale of Shinto written here, and also at the back here we have another background. I'm not sure whether this is a church or maybe a castle, or maybe the Toyotomi's mansion, I guess. And also there's a written here the Tale of Shinto. Yeah, that's it. And for the model kit, the Shu Toyotomi, the hairpiece here are actually rubber and not plastic. You can see this thing is a rubber, so it's a very flexible. For the articulation, you can we'll start with the head first. You can go down about this far, going up side to side, and there's a articulation too for the hairpiece at the back here. You can spread it like this because there's a joint here. You can move like that. There you go. The hand, you can move up about this far. This one can rotate. There's a ball joint. Like I said, she has the same joint like the frame arms girl, because these are actually from the frame arms girl base, except the armor hand here. You can move only for about this far. There you go. And the upper part here can move around like that, and there's no articulation here. And this thing here, you can, it's a very, I'm not sure why they did this, but yeah, it's fine though. Next is the skirt. Let me just take this one off. You guys can see it. So the back skirt, you can do like this. I need to make it like this or like this. There you go. A very nice looking armor indeed. This thing can move in and out, and also this piece at the front here, you can move in and out like that. And there's no articulation here, it's just for the skirt here. For the legs, since this part here are blocking everything, though the leg can only move about this far, and move it back about this far, and bend only about this far. Yeah, there you go. And the shoes here, the high heels can move like that, rotate, and you can do pivot too. Since this is the same joint like the frame arms girl, so you have almost the same articulation except the man body part here, because this thing is new. This thing here are totally new. but the legs and everything, the legs, the hands, also the neck are the same like the frame of skull. So nothing much new except for the awesome looking armor. And yeah, for this rubber piece here, the hair piece looks pretty cool for its third party company. The scale of this thing is actually the 1/10.5 scale. What's up with the 10.5 scale? I'm not sure about that, but if you guys can compare it side to side with the Mega Device, Fremam's Girl, the Variable Fighter Girl, they are almost the same, so not much different on that. You guys can check out my photos later, side to side with all the girls. And what else? Oh, yeah, this thing is falling off. There you go. So that's it for the articulation. This is a how to impress this. It's a good kit. It's a very nice plastic model kit, because we have the frame up skill here, except a different design, with a different design indeed. So the rest, we should show you this one too. So the legs are actually this joint here. There's a white piece here. These are from the frame up girl, while the leg armor here are a new design. There you go. And also I should take this one off so you guys can see it carefully. I will show you one by one. So this joint piece right here are from the frame up girl, and the armor are the new one, so you get less articulation here because of the armor. Also this piece here, there you go. So this piece here are actually a new one, except for this thing here. This is from the frame up girl, and this piece here, whole piece here, are new. This thing can move, very new design. And we have this, I'm not sure how to call this. This is from the instruction manual. We just need to put it here like that. And for the upper piece, this thing are actually from the frame up girl. Yeah, that's it. I just love to take all of this apart just to show you guys. See, there's a same frame up girl joint here. So overall, I give this model kit here 9 out of 10. There's no snap fitting issue at all. Most of the parts are on the gate. She has a very nice looking design, a very nice looking outfit. The armor, just so beauty. And also the weapon, like the bow right here, and also the arrows, also comes with a metal piece. Yeah, so great, so great. For the price of this kit, I got it around 100 ringgit plus something. I cannot remember. Yeah, she's worth every money you spend indeed. And I think she's the cheapest, the third party, the cheapest in my collection that I got. Like a pretty armor, I got them around 100 plus, but this one is much cheaper than that. the quality is so nice. So if you guys are interested to get this, you guys can contact Uncle Chen Workshop. I will put the link in the description below. I got this from Uncle Chen Workshop too. So that's all for my review. I mostly focus on the articulation, the build and everything, and the rest you guys can see the pose, the amazing pose that I made for this Shu Toyotomi in the album later. So that's all for my review today. I hope you guys enjoy my very simple reviews. See you guys next time. Bye.